This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Marcus Curtin. Beautiful Charles D. Johnson built home with quality from the foundation up home. Located in the Western Branch section of Chesapeake, this classic floor plan has beautiful trim and appointments from the spacious kitchen featuring granite countertops, an island and eating area that is adjacent to the great room with a lovely bar and fireplace makes for the perfect place for cozy family days of summer, winter, spring and fall. The Frog has built-in cabinets plus its own bath, the expansive master with its dramatic tray ceiling, very impressive walk-in closet adjacent to the updated master bath with updates and a sunny skylight. The shed has electricity. The side-loading 2-car garage has nice cabinet space for plenty tools, and a walk outside from the family room to the sparkling above-ground pool deck area makes this a home to come home to. Too many upgrades to mention, just see it for yourself. You won't be disappointed. For more information,